Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. Today we're gonna do some manual work on the project vpnhead.com. This is the project. So today, what we're gonna do, we're gonna adjust colors and a little sizes of our article entry page, and we'll try to do it manually because we need to make our brain work right now. So basically we're gonna have some red color, some green color, and I need to fix this. I'll do it later. Black, red, green. Right now it is black and blue. So we want to do it, and so it's consistent with everything else on our site. This is our code. This is Windsurf web editor, software editor, code editor, and I have everything in one page here. This is front end, VPN head front end, and here is the VPN head backend. We're gonna, I think, work only with the front end today. This is CSS file, basically the colors and everything what you see, the styling. This is JavaScript or React, and we mostly gonna work with CSS today. So first of all, let's get this button. Let's make it green because the green color is here, and let's see what green color do we use. Home CSS. Do we have green color? Yes, we have. This is the green color that we're using. Let's copy. And yes, right here. Let's paste it. Let's reboot. And nothing changes. Interesting. Why? What happened? Editor button. Maybe I have another button. Editor file, editor label. No. Okay, let's close the screen. Let's see if we can admin, this is annoying message, and the button is still blue. Why? Another problem. Editor button, article editor CSS, article editor JSX. Submit article, editor button. Okay, yep. Background color. So it looks correct button, and it's not doing anything. So let me go to console. Let me select this button and see. Editor button. Background blue. It still shows background blue. Let's see styles. Why it's blue? I changed to green, no? That's what I wanna see. editor button. It is scary. Why it's not doing anything? What it's getting this blue here? Okay, another problem. We're gonna solve it. So I closed the editor. I will reopen. Maybe it needs to be reopened sometimes. But now I have to restart all the code. So this is front end. Let's do npm run dev. And then let's go down and let's start the backend to my powerful computer. Make some noises. Okay, let's run the backend too. It's weird because we definitely changed color in the code, but when I open the web page and go to the console, it shows old blue color. Maybe it is still somehow grabbing it from a memory or something. Okay, so let's go and let's open here new screen. Here we go. So it needed to be reboot. So maybe that's a Windsurf, another bug. We did everything correctly. It just didn't grab the correct color. Okay, so we did one item out of couple items. Now let's have this I think I have red on the top in the yes, so the h1 is in red. Okay, so let's make this h1 and let's make it red. Let's see what we have, what kind of class we have. Okay, so article title, no, create new article. Create new article. Okay. Editor heading. Okay. So let's go to editor heading. Let's first of all make it let h1 h1. Yes. Okay. Bigger, and then let's make it color. What is that color? Green. No, we want color red, so it's consistent. So this is the red color I'm using. Let's change it. And item number 2, not done. Yeah. Weird. I'm not sure why it's it theoretically it should change everything instantly. It does not. And we don't want to reboot the entire editor every time we make a change. It did not do that before, or I did not notice it. Maybe I was working. I just recently changed to this file editor, and I am not sure if it's been like that for a long time or not. Okay, let's do this. Let's make a little bit more changes and then we'll reboot it. So we theoretically change the color of this, maybe in the size of this, and maybe let's put in the middle. Can we put it in the middle? According to this editor container. Okay, editor container. Let's go to editor container. Center. Okay. It's not changing anything. Okay, let's exit and then let's okay, so I exited React and let me start it one more time. npm run dev. It is really annoying. Let me close down and let me reopen, and then we'll have to add something. We'll have to find the issue and we can add this issue to this video too. Okay, so this is a front end. Okay, let's go to the front end and then back end. Back end I don't have anymore. This is the back end. Let's start. Let's do it faster. As I said, I have another code editor, AI assisted code editor, Cursor. It's called Cursor, but I'm using it for work. This is my personal project. I don't want to mix them up. Ooh, okay. Plus it says port 8080 is in use, so I will close down everything except the front React. Okay, let me start one more time. I'm using those free. I don't pay for Windsurf or Cursor, and free subscription gives only limited usage. If you use too much, then it stops working till next month or something. Otherwise, I think it's like $20 per month. But if you can get it for free, why to pay $20 per month? One is $20, another is $20, so it's like already $40 a month. Multiply by 1 year, it's gonna be like almost $500. Okay, so we are on. Let's go and see if now something else is broken. Placeholder article title. Now what? We didn't do any changes. Okay, I see. I'm missing this. No? No? Wait a minute. H1. What's wrong with this? No, it looks correct, no? Yeah, it's correct. It was H2, I changed to H2. Oh, maybe there is H1 already and I cannot use two H1s? Can it be that? No, doesn't sound good. That doesn't sound correct. Okay, now it doesn't give me an error. Okay, let's go and see what's happening here, ladies and gentlemen. Still shows me an error. Input. What's happening? This is Windsurf or it's me? Let's blame Windsurf. Doesn't make any sense what it does. This is absolutely correct. I open H1 and I close H. There is no bracket here. But there is a bracket here. So it says the code is correct in Windsurf, but on the browser it says it's missing something. Okay, let's reboot one more time. Well, if you don't like this type of error and fix work, then it's really annoying. I really understand you. Okay, still. So it shows that there is no closing bracket, but there is a closing bracket, and there is no, doesn't make any sense. So I'm changing back to H2s. Let's see if it gives me the same H1. Okay. Well, it's not okay, it's crazy. Well, we'll solve the issue. We'll solve the issue. It's really annoying. I think something is wrong with this Windsurf, this file editor. I'm changing the code and it doesn't change in the browser. So whatever I'm changing here, it's not going to the browser. I guarantee you, I will change to H1. I will close everything down. I will reopen. And now it will work. There is no reason why it should work or should not work. It's crazy. That's why that's why I don't like to pay money for the items that don't really work or are fully tested. Okay, so this is front end. npm run f, and then let's go to app. Let's start. So backend is starting right now. It's starting correctly. The front end already started. Let's do this. Let's check with the ChatGPT why it gives me this crazy error. Okay. And this code getting copy paste, and you are encountering syntax issue. So I just gave it the code. Here is my code. So so crazy. So ChatGPT says everything is fine. Okay, well, so okay. So this is Windsurf really a waste of time. It's AI, but it doesn't make any sense. Even okay, last chance. Even ChatGPT doesn't understand why it's not working. Okay, now it works. So was it the space? You can have space here. I don't understand. Yeah, I can have space. Okay, well, I probably will use this very seldom, this Windsurf, or at least well, maybe I'll give it another chance, but really it has those weird if you have to waste 20 minutes and then on some kind of mystical error that does not exist, it's not good in today's world. Okay, so we have a color. For some reason it's not going into the center like we wanted, so this is the container, editor container. Why it's not going into the center? Editor container, align center, justified. So I need to reboot one more time. Okay, so I really disappointed with this. No, it doesn't. Okay, so at least let's do a couple more things. Let's create maybe green frames on both of these, and let's maybe change color of these buttons. So let's go and see text area editor. Editor input. Let's go to editor input. Editor input text area. Okay, I have the same. Let's change border color. Okay, green. Of course it will not work. and then choose file button. Let's see, the button editor button we changed already. I don't see edit choose file button. Okay, it's probably system button. So let's leave the button as is. So those buttons will leave as is. Main thing they are working. And let's shut down everything again, like 5th time today. And let's reopen everything back. And let's start. Okay, Spring Boot is booting. Let's go with this. Let's log in again. Okay. Everything is semi okay, except let's have maybe stronger borders. Margin bottom border radius. Okay, for px, let's go with 8. And of course we have to restart everything again, so we will not do that. But basically we did some manual work on this little article editor page. We changed colors and we discovered that Windsurf really sucks. Okay, let me at the end, let me go and see, maybe ChatGPT will have idea why Windsurf refresh needs full restart. Okay. No, folders are okay. My CRC components, well, no, that's okay. I did this, did not work. Misconfigured. Maybe let's try this one. It's right here. Yeah, it's right here. Yeah. So let's see. Oops. No. Let's try 80 just for fun. Nope, does not work. Okay, any other suggestions? Nope. No, we did. So Windsurf is really sucks. It doesn't have something finished on it or something, I don't know. Yeah, that's why I do not recommend Windsurf. Okay, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Have a good day. Bye bye.